Laundry no longer needs to feel like a chore thanks to this Samsung AddWash washing machine. With innovative technologies and features, it's designed for your convenience. The AddWash door allows you to quickly add extra laundry at any time during the wash. Simply open the door to quickly drop in what you need. A fantastic feature if you come across a stray sock or realise you forgot to add fabric softener. This innovative technology makes laundry life that bit easier. The digital inverter motor uses strong magnets instead of brushes to deliver superior energy efficiency, minimal noise and long-lasting performance. Because it uses high-quality components, it offers you exceptional durability, backed by a 10-year motor warranty. You can have this washing machine anywhere in your home without being disturbed by noise, and you won't have to worry about expensive or inconvenient repairs. Bubble soap technology assists you in removing a wide variety of stubborn stains. By adding an extra phase to a normal cycle, your clothes are thoroughly soaked in active bubbles that loosen dirt and stains so they can be effectively removed. This is a fantastic feature that helps make stain removal a less daunting task, with the simple touch of a button. Designed with a stunning crystal door and black display, this Samsung AddWash washing machine will add a touch of elegance to your laundry days.